Yo, what going on, everybody? It's your boy Labast, and we back again with our next one. It's finally time to put the Z back on the road. So in the last video, I was telling you guys that I put a clutch in and it was the wrong combination of clutches and all this other stuff. So I went ahead and bought a clutch for it. Hey.
Yep. That bolt is an impossibility.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah. It's not a bolt, it's a stud.
It identifies as a stud. Yeah, it identifies.
This is the second thing you said is not, that shouldn't be there on this car. What the hell is hanging?
The hanger?
Alright, so the big issue that I had with this was this is a stock clutch. This is an upgraded, what's this called? Pressure plate. So these aren't supposed to go together like this. You're supposed to get them in a kit, and I honestly was being cheap and lazy, to be honest with you. So I need to go down to Nissan and pick up the clutch and flywheel that's supposed to be here and toss it in the car. Oh! Would you look at that? Thank you, Jason. Alright, come around this side, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Thank you, no thank you. Now, it's a Duralast clutch, and I'm kind of questioning if it's gonna, you know, do what we need it to do, but I need my car to go, so. Man, I ain't worried about it. Yeah, because they're press on.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, no. But we got everything we need. There we go. Yeah, so this is the new stuff. Let's go ahead and slap it in the car.
Resurfaced. Like new. Perfect condition.
Yeah.
Isn't that right?
It looked right. Oh, I need to back up a little bit. Ready, Sanchi?
Yeah.
There we go. Appreciate it, guys.
Bingo. Bongo.
Bing bong!
Yeah. Well done. Calm your tits. Go forward. All right. Whoop. There you go.
Alright, so as you guys could tell, we got success. The car moves. But we got another problem. It's misfiring. Not one thing, it's the next, but it's alright. It's all a learning process, and you just take your licks as you can get them. But I did go ahead and diagnose it with Jason. Actually, 1 second. We found out that it was a bad injector. So I pulled off this injector and nothing happened. I pulled the coil and nothing happened. But obviously, if the injector isn't working, the spark plug isn't going to fire. But just take my word for it, it's the injector. So now I need to order an injector set. And now I'm torn if I want to jump down the rabbit hole, because I could just get a set of factory injectors and replace them and it'll work. It'll be fine. Or or we go ahead and jump down the rabbit hole and we get some bigger injectors, maybe like some 500cc injectors, you know, E85 capable. We do a new fuel filter, we do fuel lines, fuel pressure regulator, and a fuel pump, and then this tune from Blake, and then we can put the car in E85 and have some more fun and experiment a little bit, which would be pretty cool. I'm going to make the effort for me to reach out to a few companies and see if they're willing to pick us up for doing an E85 conversion to this car, just naturally aspirate and see how it would do. I think it'll do really well because the 350s, the Nissan 350Zs, once you put those on E85, they become like super responsive and it make a little bit more power, but not a whole lot. But if I do convert this car to E85 and upgrade all that stuff, it'll go hand in hand for the next upgrade for this car somewhere down the line next year. I'll give you a hint. 2 turbos are involved. But anyway, that's my rundown of where I'm at with this. I think I'm gonna sit on debating what I'm gonna do, maybe reach out to some people and see if we could get a sponsor or something. But maybe not a sponsor, or at least a discount. She's back, she's home. I'm so glad she's home. She's been sitting at the job for like, I don't know, like 3 months or so, and just been crazy busy just trying to keep up with life, and it's back. And we back. Comment down below what you think I should do. Would you guys rather see me just throw a set of regular injectors back in here and get back out, you know, driving? Or would you be down to see a little build process of me converting this car to E85 and how it would perform on E85? I think it'd be pretty cool, and like I said, it'd be a good step in the direction for the stuff that I want to do later on with this car. I got a lot of plans and a lot of goals for this year, and I'm excited to show you guys what's going on. But that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys. Z's back home, and we one step closer to getting back at it. If you like this video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up. It really helps out. It shows me that you guys, you know, rock with the content. And please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything that I post. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.